Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your nappies. Somewhere above your head, a star is currently flying and carrying a cute baby. European folklore says this is about luck, life, and family. This comes from the fact that storks return in the spring, around the same time many babies are born. But today, I'm not talking about the stork or the baby. I'm talking about... Yes, exactly! There are 3 levels to say P in Vietnamese, depending on how straightforward or polite you want to sound. Level 1. No filter. Die. 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 Die.
Level 2. The priest is tag.
Father is in the room now. You switch to Tiểu. 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 Still straightforward but with manners.
Level 3, the baby version.
More polite and cute. Lower your volume at the very end. There. 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 There.
This baby has absolute zero respect for bladder control. Or maybe he knows this in the Vietnamese desert and wants to demonstrate.
Why does seawater taste so strange today?
Amazing job, baby.
Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark,
The baby this time ear, 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 ear. Now let's switch to a polite and cute mode. You soften it to hey, 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 hey. Same situation, less drama. Roommates are waiting outside, so you shout. Đang đi cầu. Đi cầu. Đi cầu. Cầu is a shortened form of cầu tiêu, which means đi cầu, đi cầu, đi cầu, đi cầu, đi cầu, đi cầu. The stork finally reached the destination. When you don't want to explain anything, say this. Đi vệ sinh. 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 This magical phrase means use the washroom and covers
peeing, pooping, washing face, blowing nose, changing clothes, disappearing from awkward conversations,
or any situation you might suddenly need to use a washroom. Finally, let me again show you the only 3 expressions you should use in daily life. Tè. Thị. Đi vệ sinh. The baby is now empty, but you're now fluent in Vietnamese. Like, subscribe, and escape to the washroom.